morning, class. How's everybody doing today? Awesome. Okay, so before we get started, I would like everybody to put a thumbs up and a bubble in your mouth to let me know that you are ready to get started today. Thank you. All right, so everybody please get your math notebooks out and a pencil out, okay? And don't start writing anything yet. All right. Okay, sweetie. Okay, sit up, please. We're about to start. Thank you. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about multiplication. Multiplication. Does anybody remember from last week's lesson on multiplication, what is a number that is multiplied by 1? What is it going to be? Yes, Alan? Perfect. Okay, like Alan said, when a number is multiplied by 1, it is going to be the same number. So let's do a quick example. You can start writing what I write now, okay? Let's do the mirror. Okay, so everybody, please tell me, what is 3 times 1? 3. Wonderful. Okay. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. All right. So like Alan said, any number that is multiplied by 1 is going to be the same number. So let's say that this number right here was a 4. 4 times 1. What is that going to be? Yes, Kayla. Good job, Kayla. Okay, yes, 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so this is the easiest part of multiplication, the multiplication table of 1. All right, so let's see. I'm going to give you 3 examples right here, and you all need to use your math notebooks. Just write down the answer and raise your hand to let me know. Whoever finishes first is going to get a ticket for the treasure box, okay? So let's see. All right. Okay, don't start writing yet. When I say go, you can go, okay? All right, ready, set, go. Okay, I see you all writing really fast. Remember what Alan said, okay? That will help you finish it quickly. Okay, Sammy, you finished first. Good job. Okay, so what are the answers for each one? Perfect. Okay, so the first one is 5. Great job. Okay, what about the second one? 3. You're on a roll today. Okay, what about the third one? Okay, good job, Sammy. Okay, so right now we're going to move on to the next multiplication table, the table of 2. Okay, this one is really easy too, and we're going to start off with a very easy example, okay? So I'm going to call on somebody right now. Okay, let's see. Amy, do you know the answer to this? It's okay if you don't. Good job, Amy. All right, so Amy said that 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, how did you get that answer? Okay, so you did get the right answer. 2 times 2 is 4, so good job. But the way you did it is the wrong way. Okay, so can anybody tell me why Amy did it the wrong way? Yes? Yes, correct, because she added. So Amy, this symbol right here, let's see. Right here, this stands for multiplication, okay? This symbol right here, the one that looks like a plus sign, That is for addition. What you did right now is that you added. So remember, everybody, if you see this right here, you don't add the numbers. You multiply them, okay? So this is multiplication. Multiplication looks like an X. Addition looks like a plus sign, okay? So you need to make sure you don't get those confused, all right? Okay, let's go on to the next question, okay? Make sure that if you have any questions, you raise your hand and you let me know, all right? So, 2 times 3. All right, I can see some of y'all are a little confused, but that is okay. That's what I'm here for. I'm about to teach y'all how y'all can do this easily, okay? So, there is a simple way to solve multiplication problems with numbers like these. So let's see, there is a 2 and there is a 3, okay? What we're gonna do right now is we're going to use just this number right now, just the 2, and we're gonna make 2 big ovals, okay? So everybody please draw 2 big ovals just like this on your boards. Okay, yes, right there. All right, good job. Okay. So now we have our 2 big ovals. So we already used this number, okay? Let's do a little mini check mark right there. So we already know that we used it. And now we are going to use this number right here. So what are we going to do with this number? What we are going to do is we are going to put 3 into each big one. So we're going to make little mini circles now, okay? 1, 2, 3. Do we stop there? No, correct. Why? Yes, perfect, guys, because this one is still empty. So 1, 2, 3. All right. Can anybody please raise their hand and quietly let me know what the answer for this math problem is? Perfect, 6. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Good job. All right, let's go over this one more time. Can somebody raise your hand and tell me how you would read this math problem? How would a mathematician say it? Yes. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Perfect. So the reason we say times whenever we see this symbol is to let the person know that we are multiplying right now. We're not adding, we're not subtracting, we are multiplying. So for example, if someone says 1 times 2, you know you're multiplying, right? Okay. And equal to is always talking about the answer, okay? So you don't say 2 times 3 is 6. You could say that, but the correct way that a mathematician would say it is 2 times 3 is equal to 6, okay? So let's see, I'm gonna write down another example and we'll work on that one together, okay? All right, let's see, 5, what does this say? Times, all right, 5 times 2, what does this right here mean? Equal to. Let's see, right now we're going to make our big ovals again. So should we make the ovals, should we make 5 ovals or should we make 2 ovals? Which would be easier? Which would be the smartest but not the hardest way to do this math problem? Good job, everybody. Yes, 2 ovals. We could make 5 ovals and we'll still get the right answer, but this is the easiest and the fastest way. Okay, so we already used this number right here. Again, our little check mark. Okay, and now what are we gonna do with the 5? Can somebody please tell me what we're gonna do with the 5? Yes, Erica. Good job, sweetie. So yes, with the 5, we are going to be making 5 little circles in each of the big ovals, okay? So everybody count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, are we done? No, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is the answer? What is this equal to? Raise your hands, please. Yes. Perfect. It is equal to 10. Good job, Justin. So, everybody read this out loud with me the correct way. 5 times 2 equals to 10. All right. Does anybody have any questions? Okay. Yes. So, let's see. If you did 5 big ovals, what would you need to do with these 2? Good job. Okay. Yeah, so if you did 5 big ovals, you would still get the correct answer. Yes, you would still get the right answer, Erica. So you would make 5 big ovals, and in each one there would be 2. And you would still get 10. But like I said, this would be the easiest way. But whichever way works easier for you, you could always do it. Just make sure that you count all of the ovals and the circles that you were doing correctly. All right, so everybody please get your math notebooks and put them under your cubbies. And also make sure that you get your pencils, put them in the pencil cup in the middle of your table groups. And once you're done, we're going to head out to recess, okay? Good job, everybody. You did so good today.